This wig is definitely good for older people. I say this because older people, they don't know how to bleach, or some of them do. You know, I can't speak for all of them, but they just don't want to be doing all of that. They don't want to be putting all that work. Look at this hair. Look at this hairline. Combs, elastic bands, adjustable strap. Girl, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-styled, and pre-colored.